Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to change profile photo on phone. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. First, you have to open the YouTube. Now go on upper right corner, click on your channel. Now click on channel setting. Now click on camera and set the profile picture. Select image. Now adjust the image. Click on save as profile picture. Now your profile picture have been saved. Now go back and your profile picture have been updated. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupons, spinning and wide range of products from cutting edge gadget to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more reliable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.